Hello friends, today we are going to make a DIY pen stand. The things we will need is glue and ice cream sticks. Just place 2 ice cream sticks parallel to each other and then put glue dots on them. Then we will take another 2 glue sticks and overlap each other and make like a box. Just like this. We should take hard and nice ice cream. So ice cream sticks and then overlap it on one another, just like this. We have to be very careful of the shape, guys. I have made a lot of them, so you have to make many of these. I have used near about 110 sticks and made 30 boxes like this. We have to take care of the shape and then keep the best one at the bottom. See, that one was not the best, so I am taking the nice ones to keep at the bottom and glue at the 4 corners and place it like this so that it should be little bit tilted. We will take many of these and make tilted and overlap on each one another. I am placing it one by one and then I will glue afterwards. So let's make it. Friends, we take a lot of time and very carefully we have to do this, because if any one of the shape is not nice, the whole pen stand will not look nice. So be careful. I am using a shortcut method so that the glue is also not wasted and the time is also not. I am just placing one by one drops of glue and then pasting it over. Then now I am going to place it one by one to show you how it looks, and afterwards I will be gluing it. Now friends, it's going to be ready. It's the last part, and we are going to take it on the top. Yes, I'm going to glue it, and I need sticks to keep it above it so that it can be covered from bottom. I am keeping sticks over so that I come to know how many number of sticks are required. I will glue them afterwards. Guys, this is the bottom part, so don't get confused. Now I am okay about the number of glue sticks and their size. Now I am gluing them. Now I am gluing them. Ready. So now lift it upside down and see how it looks. It looks pretty nice, guys. Wow!